Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get notes on Instagram. If you think that this video is helpful to you, then make sure you watch it till the end and let's get started. Notes are a new feature that has been added on Instagram. To be able to see it, you just need to click on your messages section on the top right, and on the top you would have an option of notes, and you could also see other people's notes. Now if you don't see this option, there's no need to worry about, because Instagram is slowly adding in this feature and this feature may not be available to everyone. Now there are a couple of things that you can do in order to get it faster. Now first thing you need to do is make sure you have updated the app of Instagram. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and check if Instagram is updated. If there is an update, make sure you update the apps, because updating apps helps to add in new features. Now the other thing you can do is you can see on the bottom there should be an option of beta version. I've already joined the beta version, so it doesn't have on mine, but if you haven't, you should have an option of beta version. The beta version is the latest version of Instagram where they test out new features, and if you get that beta version, you have a high chance of getting all of the new features added on Instagram. So you can tap on beta version and install it on your device. Now the last thing you can do is you can report a problem directly to Instagram. To do that, open up your Instagram, tap on your profile icon, tap on the three lines on top and tap on settings. Now tap on help and then report a problem. Now here you would want to type in the problem that you're facing, which is you do not have the notes option on your Instagram. You can type in something like that and you can tap on next to report the problem. Now after you reported the problem, hopefully Instagram sees that and adds in the feature of notes. Those were the steps that you can do in order to get notes on Instagram. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video useful. If you did, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.